Hello everyone, this is Thor Young with Bear Bull Traders, and I'd like to do a recap on my APA trade for you today. APA was the only stock really in my morning list again today, and got a real nice play on it. I'm still actually holding a position on it now, so looking for another breakdown here if we can. Basically, APA, I got off of our gappers list this morning. Guys, if you're not doing the pre-market show with these guys, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, throw me a like if you are so kind, but make sure you're watching this pre-market show because they're really pulling out the best stocks and showing you the levels and everything you want to trade off of. So I was looking at APA here mostly because when I'm looking at the stocks for what we like to call our rising devil strategy, what we like to see is we like to see a pretty obvious pre-market pattern where the stock is staying below the volume weighted average price, right, which is my blue line VWAP, as everyone commonly calls it. So it's all holding under here, but what you could see on the level 2 was that there were actually sellers sitting up and just above VWAP and I would assume that they're holding that to sell out, and then after that we're going to have to see what happens with the stock. So there were also a lot of bidders, and all the bidders were well below 1950, which really insinuated the weight of the stock. Now, if you go out to the daily chart, you can tell that this stock on some news had gapped down heavily. So the bias can be that this is a pretty weak stock right now. It's gapping down on some bad news. So now you can't just take a quick entry unless, you can, but you need to make sure you manage your risk for a wider pullback. But what I like to do in this instance on the Rising Devil is you wait for the stock to open, and then the stock will rise up to those sellers in order to sell off and to get those orders out. And you can actually see here on the volume as it rose up, people were buying in, and it actually represents itself as a buying candle. So in a way, it gives the illusion that the stock is very strong. So that's why it's the Rising Devil, because it gives you this illusion that, wow, this stock is crazy strong. But then it pulls back. As it pulls back and hits VWAP, that's where you want to take your short. And then if you get confirmation, you add in for the breakdown. Now, unfortunately, I messed up a little bit when I was setting my stop order, and I actually miskeyed it. And so this right here is a wash of a trade. I got nothing out of this. Actually, I think I lost like $5 on it. So, and it completely washed. I was really disappointed, but the part of being an agile trader is being prepared to do what you need to do when you have these things happen. So rather than panic, rather than miss the trade, I was still at the price I was at when I took my short. My stop loss is still the same. Everything's good. So I went ahead and went short again, this time full 500 shares. I was in 250 here, added 250 here, but went ahead and went in full 500 here, and then got a nice real breakdown all the way down to 19. Took 250 shares of the 500 shares all the way down to 19. So very happy about that partial, already over my daily goal just here. Now I actually happen to still be holding a small position now. I'm down to about 10 or 20%. Looks like we may bottom or double bottom and head back up. If we lose 1950, I'm going to go ahead and get out. That'll be all out on my remaining shares. That still moved a nice 70 cents for me. But otherwise, good to go and done for the day. So this is my little APA one and done trade today, if you will. I guess it was technically a two and done because of my first flub out. But the thing to really keep in mind when you're looking at these is don't be fooled by original strength momentum. If you have a stock that's gapping down and that's weak, going long on a weak stock at the open is a perfectly good way to chop out some money. All right, rather wait for it to go up and let it use its early volatility, its early momentum to pull back up as those sellers panic to sell off their positions as high as they possibly can until the buyers win out. Because remember, it's a weak stock. So at some point, in order to get those people to really buy, the price is going to have to drop. Or at least that's the theory, right? So here we go. Nice little trade on APA. I hope I put in something a little useful here for all you guys. I hope you're all having a great day and staying green. Thanks.